Welcome back. I'm holistic esthetician Megan Nino, and today I'll be showing you how to apply a do-it-yourself matcha green Greek yogurt and honey mask. If you are vegan, go ahead and remove the yogurt part of it, and you can just mix the honey and the matcha green tea together. The matcha green tea is full of antioxidants. The Greek yogurt has lactic acid in it, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin cells, which is, so lactic acid is a natural AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, and this would be appropriate for all skin types. I have a dry, sensitive skin type. This is also wonderful for people who have acne. I also have this handy dandy fan brush here that I mix it all together with. The honey that I use is from the Nicoya Peninsula, it's the Blue Zone in Costa Rica, and it's really high quality organic honey. And what honey does is it actually helps to firm and tighten the skin, and it has tons of healing properties in it. It's antimicrobial, antifungal. This smells amazing, by the way. I'm so excited to actually put this on my skin. Mix it really, really well. I absolutely love the consistency of this. It really looks like skincare. So this is really food for the skin. It's loaded with those antioxidants. I went ahead and used a First Harvest matcha ceremonial tea because I want the highest potency on my skin, but I probably shouldn't have done that because it is very expensive. I used about a half teaspoon of it, but you can go ahead and use a Second Harvest baking matcha. Now let's go ahead and apply it to the skin. I'm going to start on my neck. Wow, look at that color. Isn't that amazing? Wow. So I've talked about the benefits, but the results that you're going to get from this are pretty amazing. You'll walk away with radiant, glowing skin. I'm going to look like that green guy from the mask. So hard to do this in the phone camera. Oh, I can't wait to see the results of this mask. Wow! This is really, really fun. You gotta do this with your girlfriends or anyone in the family who wants to do this. I'm sure kids would love this too. But like I said, you can use the Second Harvest matcha tea so that you're not spending too much money on this mask. But if you have extra, go ahead and bring it down onto the décolleté. It's an area that's neglected. We can get a lot of sun damage here because we forget to put our SPF there. And like I said, the lactic acid in the Greek yogurt is an alpha hydroxy acid, but it's super gentle on the skin. So you can just bring this all the way across. I feel like I'm painting myself. I love it. Okay, and now we're going to just put the rest of it on the backs of our hands. As we age, I'm already in my mid-30s, so my hands are starting to get really kind of yucky, and I know as I age they'll probably get spots like my grandma's hands had. But this is great skin to treat, and if you have extra skincare or you have an extra bit of your mask, just go ahead and put it on top of the backs of your hands. So we'll let this sit on the skin for about 15 minutes. You might feel a little activity happening, some tingling. If it becomes too intense, just go ahead and remove it with a warm, wet towel. Just keep in mind that the antioxidants from this mask will stain white towels, so if you want to use a dark towel you can, or if you have a towel that's clean that you don't particularly care about, you can use that instead. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes. I wanted to mention as well that I forgot to lift up my chin to see if I missed any skin. It's really important to treat the skin under the jawline here as well, because we can get a lot of congestion there. Sometimes acne and hormonal things pop up there, so don't forget underneath your chin like I did. So this mask actually took me quite a few minutes to take off. I almost showered because it was so much, but my skin looks absolutely fabulous. It's just glowing, and I've got some blood circulation happening here on the neck. That redness is going to go down in a few minutes. But wow, wow, wow. I mean, this really evens the skin tone. It helps the cellular turnover. I did a mask right before this one, so the 2 masks in a row just, I would say, made my skin look phenomenal. But I hope that you guys have these types of results. I hope that you follow along with this and do the mask with me on your own time, and I just can't wait to see what you guys think of it. So comment below, please like and share, and if you want to, you can subscribe as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.